Hi all, welcome to Love to Learn Things channel. Today we are going to write a factorial program in C. Let us go to that IDE. So here I have already created the file named like factorial.c. So I'm going to write here the code. So I have included the header file first. So let us explain the problem. So the 0 factorial value should be equal to 1, and if say some number, if I give 3 factorial, then the number should print 3 into 2 into 1. The value should be 6. So this is the problem, factorial problem. So when I give input 0, I should print the result as 1. When I give input 3, it should print the result as 6. Let us write some piece of code. So I'm going to declare factorial function, user defined factorial function. So I'm going to return some integer value. So I'm going to name the function as factorial. It's going to take one integer variable. So here I have declared a function. So I'm going to call from the main function, this function. So I have to write a definition for factorial function. So first let me write that piece of code. Number. So going to declare fact variable which I initialized with 1. Say if number is 0, return fact. Else I am going to calculate factorial value for that number. So let me declare one more iteration variable. Let us say int I. So for int sorry, I equal to 0. Sorry, not I. Here I am going to initialize that I value to num. So whatever the number you receive to this factorial function, which I am going to put inside a I variable, and I am going to check condition like I should greater than 0. If condition is satisfied, I am going to decrement I till it becomes 0. Sorry, till it becomes 1. So I have completed the logic here. So as part of first iteration, the value is, let us take you have given number 3. So it is greater than 0. It will come here and it will assign that 3 to I, and 3 is greater than 0. So it will come inside this for loop, and uh, it's going to calculate the factorial value. So as part of first iteration, the value becomes 3, and second iteration value become 6. Third iteration factorial value becomes 6. So I'm going to return this to main function. So you have to call this factorial program from your main function. So I'm going to call from main function. So here I have declared two variables. One variable I am using for getting input from the user, another one is for storing the result. So let us take some input from the user. Let us call that factorial program from main. So I'm going to compile this code. I think it is compiling successfully. So there is no error. Let us run the code. So it is asking for the user input. So I'm going to give value 0. So it is printing the result as 1. Let us rerun the program with a different value. It is a 5. It should print the value as 120. Yeah, it is printing properly. I think I am done for the day. And if you, thank you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.